Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to crochet this headband. It is super easy and perfect for summer. Now let's get straight into it. For this project I used super fine cotton yarn, 4mm crochet hook and scissors. First, start by chaining 45 chains. And these are a total of 45 chains. After that, start by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then work another single crochet into the same stitch. And that's a single crochet increase. Now chain one and turn your work. Next, start with a single crochet into the first stitch. Then 2 single crochets into the second stitch. Now chain one and turn your work. Again, start with a single crochet into the first stitch. Then 1 single crochet into the following stitch. Then 2 single crochets into the last stitch. Now chain one and turn your work. 1 single crochet into the first stitch. 1 single crochet into the second stitch. 1 single crochet into the third stitch. And 2 single crochets into the last stitch. Now chain one and turn your work. As you can see, it started to form a triangle shape. Here you need to make the same process until you reach 5 rounds in total. Always work with 1 single crochet into every stitch and 2 single crochets into the last stitch until you reach the total of 10 stitches. Now I've just finished working with single crochet rows. I'm going to count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now chain 2 to start the following part of the headband. Next, turn around your work. The following part consists of V-stitches. To make your V-stitches, yarn over, insert your hook into the third stitch from the chain and make your first double crochet. Now chain 1 and make another double crochet into the same stitch. And this is our first V-stitch. To do our second V-stitch, yarn over, skip 1 stitch from the chain and work into the following stitch. 1 double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet into the same stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over, skip one stitch and work with a double crochet into the following stitch. Now chain 1, then work another double crochet into the same stitch. In the end, you'll be left with only one stitch. What you need to do here is to make one double crochet into that stitch. To start the second row, chain 2 and turn your work. Now we're going to exactly work inside the space of the V-stitches. Just start here and here and here. So yarn over, make one double crochet into the space of the V-stitch, chain 1 and make another double crochet into the same space. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, make one double crochet into the space of the V-stitch, yarn over and make another one double crochet into the same space. Now that we're done with the V-stitches, you'll be left with the turning chain. Go ahead and make one double crochet into the second stitch from the turning chain. Now chain 2, turn your work and repeat the same process. I've just finished working on V-stitches. There are 22 rows in total. You can do more or less, it depends on your liking. Now we're going to finish by repeating the single crochet pattern from the other side, but instead of increases, we're going to work on decreases. To do that, chain 1, turn your work, and make one single crochet into every stitch. After that, chain 1 and turn your work. Now work single crochets into every stitch except the 2 last stitches. Into the last 2 stitches, we're going to make our decreases. To do that, insert your hook into the first stitch and pull through. Then do the same into the second stitch and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through all loops. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Just like we did right now, work with a single crochet into every stitch and leave the last 2 stitches for decreasing. We are now left with 2 stitches. Let's make our decreases into the last 2 stitches. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Keep doing the same thing until you have a total of 5 rows by working with a single crochet into every stitch and a decrease into the last 2 stitches. At the end, you should be left with 3 stitches. Now work with a single crochet and a decrease into the last 2 stitches. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Here we'll be left with 2 stitches, so let's finish with a decrease. Now that we finished our decreases, chain 45 just like we did in the beginning. Now make an extra loop. Then cut the yarn and pull through the loop. Now finish by cutting off the tail from both sides. And our headband is now ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed my tutorial. Have a great day and happy crocheting!